You've been waiting for someone to love you the way you deserve. Someone who sees your worth. Someone who chooses you, fully, unapologetically, every single day. Well, that someone is you. Falling in love with yourself isn't selfish. It's survival. Because the longest relationship you will ever be in is the one with you. And let's be honest, you can't exactly ghost yourself. Would you talk to your friend the way you talk to yourself? Would you tell them they're not enough, that they're failing, that they're unworthy? You'd remind them how strong they are, how far they've come, how much they matter. So why not give yourself that same love? Stop waiting for someone else to take care of you, to choose you, to prioritize you. Take yourself out. Celebrate your wins. Be the one who says, "Hey, you deserve this." Stop waiting for validation. Stop waiting for someone to tell you you're enough, because you already are. Hype yourself up. Be proud of your small wins. Be loud about your dreams. And when you look in the mirror, don't just see someone. You see the someone. The one who's been there through everything. The one who never gave up. The one who deserves love. Not someday, not when they fix themselves. Right now. If your life were a movie, would you be the hero? Or the background extra, waiting for something to happen? Main characters invest in themselves. They learn new skills, take care of their health, protect their energy, and set boundaries like their peace depends on it. Main character energy isn't given, it's chosen. And today, you're choosing it. Loving yourself means acknowledging that you are enough, right here, right now. It means recognizing that your path is valuable, even if it looks different from everyone else's. It means looking in the mirror and saying, "I am proud of you. I believe in you. I love you." At the end of the day, you are the longest commitment you'll ever have. So, you might as well make this relationship a great one. Fall in love with your mind, your quirks, your growth, your resilience. Because when you do, everything changes. Love yourself like your happiness depends on it. Because honestly, it does.